In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add subscribers to a campaign in Awebe. In Awebe, one of the most common ways to add people into an automated campaign is by applying a tag. That tag acts like a trigger. As soon as the right tag is added to a subscriber, Awebe can start the campaign that is connected to it. So the goal here is simple. Find the subscribers you want, then apply the correct campaign tag. Start by going to the subscribers area in your Awebe account. From there, open the subscribers list section. This is where you can view and manage the people on your lists. Next, make sure you are working in the correct list. Select the list that is associated with your campaign. This matters because tags and campaigns are typically set up to work within a specific list, and applying a tag in the wrong list may not trigger the campaign you intended. Once you are in the right list, decide who you want to add to the campaign. You can select subscribers one by one using the checkboxes next to their names. If you need to add a larger group, use the search feature to filter subscribers first. For example, you can filter based on details you already have, then select the resulting group. This saves time and helps you avoid tagging the wrong people. After you have selected the subscribers using the checkboxes, open the Actions drop-down. From that menu, choose Add Tag. This is the option that lets you attach a campaign trigger to the subscribers you selected. Now type the exact tag that triggers your automated campaign. Accuracy is important here. Tags must match what your campaign is listening for, including spelling and spacing. If your campaign trigger is set to start when a specific tag is applied, you must enter that same tag here. Finally, click Apply. Awebe will add the tag to the selected subscribers, and your automation will begin for anyone who now matches the campaign trigger. That covers everything you need to know.